Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Rocket Money budget categories to use. So here's the breakdown. When you are setting up your budget in Rocket Money, start with the right categories which make savings and spending smarter without stress. So begin with the essentials like rent, mortgage, utility bills, grocery bills and transport fee. So these are the things you have to pay for, and tracking them first keep your basic in check. So next is to add the savings goal like emergency fund or vacation, subscription and streaming, so you can trim anything you are not using, and dining together with entertainment to help you control fund spending. You can also split categories like health, wellness, shopping and gifts together with occasion, so you know exactly where your money goes each month. Using these cool buckets makes it easier to see problem areas, reduce waste and put more money towards what truly matters. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple budgeting tips and comment which categories you would like to focus on, and that's how it works.